I use the following product: Whispeara, brain, hearing support, tinnitus, hoping to ease the constant ringing in my ears. From the start, I appreciated its natural formula aimed at supporting both brain function and auditory health. After a few weeks, I felt a gentle reduction in tinnitus intensity and improved mental clarity. My focus during work noticeably improved, and everyday sounds felt more balanced and less irritating. In my experience, Whispeara offers reliable support for hearing comfort and cognitive sharpness. While results may vary, I found it to be a reassuring addition to my daily wellness routine.